Alright guys, so today we're doing a review on this LaraBar Cashew. As you can see, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, and soy-free. And it's kosher. Check this out. So we're going to do a quick taste test here. These are on sale. You get them at your local grocery store. And if you want to check the back nutrient panel, if you guys want to read it, pause it. It's 15 grams of sugar. But it's cashews, dates, and dried apples. So let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. Check that out. Okay, so they're very tender, and you do get a lot of that date taste, and very little of the apple, and more of the cashew. It is sweet, but yeah, it's pretty clean tasting. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.